Province has experienced extreme rainfall since Monday in what the provincial government called one of the worst weather storms in the history of the country. So here's an image show flooding damages in Durban with cracked roads and deep fissures, as well as a huge stack of shipping containers collapsing into muddy waters. It also swept away a bridge near the city, leaving people stranded on either side.
The provincial government said later that it continues to work with the national government to make sure that relief is provided to those affected. Rescue teams are working to evacuate people in areas that experience mudslides, flooding, and collapsed buildings and roads.
The extreme weather comes just months after heavy rainfall and floods hit other parts of southern Africa, with 3 tropical cyclones and 2 tropical storms over just 6 weeks from late January. There were 230 reported deaths and 1 million people affected.